Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I had no idea what I wanted to film today. I just knew that I wanted to play around with one of the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadows. These are so incredible. I love liquid shadows so much. So I get excited anytime I get to play around with them. So I wanted to do a cranberry and gold look. I haven't done one yet this year, so I wanted to spice it up a little bit with this shadow and add a nice glitter effect to the shadow. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the Sample Beauty The Prodigy Palette Jewel Toned Edition. First shadow I'm picking up is Axonite. Starting with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to run this shadow through my crease. Even though I am doing a cranberry look, I want my transition shade to have a little bit more of a yellow and warmer undertone to really help tie in with the gold. I'm now going into Almondine. Now I'm switching over to my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm using a really light hand and holding the brush at the very end just to have that nice control, and going in kind of small little strokes towards the inner part of my crease. And then I'm going to start bringing that shadow up and doing little circular motions to start blending it up towards the transition shade. Now just using that same brush and picking up more of the shadow, I'm going to start tapping this all over my lid to create a nice smoky eye. These shadows are amazing. They're so blendable and so pigmented. I'm now going back into Axonite and just applying that at the very high point to make sure that that nice warmth is really peeking through. And it's just going to help blend everything out. Now for my lower lash line, I'm picking up Axonite, and I'm basically going to do the same thing that I did through my crease, and I'm using my E54 Medium Super Brush by Sigma. And then going in with Almondine on my E15 Flat Definer brush and kind of just wiggling it really close to my lash line. And then start smoking that out. I'm now going into e.l.f. Cosmetics Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Cranberry Punch. Look at the beautiful reflex in the shadow. So I just swiped the brush on my finger just because I don't want it to be super intense. I kind of just want the glitter particles on my lid. So now I'm just tapping this all over my lid. I'm now going into Beryl. Now to really tie in the look, I'm going to highlight my inner corner with this beautiful shadow. And then just lightly blend it out with my F70 concealer brush. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Alkaline. I'm now going to line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Ardell Remy Lashes in 778. And that's the eye look done. For lipstick, I'm going to go into the Sigma Liquid Lipstick in New Mod. I'm going to stick with the nude, but I think a really nice dark lip would look so nice paired with this look. It might be really dark for some people, but I love a nice vampy eye and lip, so I think that would look amazing. Try that and let me know if you guys like that pairing, but I'm going to stick with the nude today. And that is it. This is the completed look of my cranberry and gold smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with these liquid glitter shadows by e.l.f. I mean, I mentioned it earlier. I love any type of liquid shadow. I love playing around with them. I get super excited when a brand comes out with them, and these do not disappoint whatsoever, and they're so inexpensive and amazing. You have to check them out. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They'll be down below in the description box, along with all the products and brushes that I used to create this look. Will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!